Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Subaru Forester. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. Next, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Finally, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter on the underside of your engine. Now, let's drain the old oil. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug to catch all the used fluid. Carefully remove the drain plug using your 13mm wrench, allowing the old oil to flow freely into the pan. Ensure all the old engine oil drains completely before proceeding to the next step. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. First, remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Next, install a new oil filter, making sure the rubber gasket is properly seated and lightly lubricated. Finally, add the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically 5½ quarts, through the filler cap on top of the engine. To finish up, check the oil level using your dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks, and add more if needed. Inspect thoroughly for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter to confirm everything is sealed correctly. Remember to dispose of your used oil responsibly at an approved recycling center. Also, for a great resource on personal finance, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.